Welcome to Lavande Hotel Luzhou High-Speed Railway Station Southwest Trading Market, where refined hospitality meets strategic convenience. Scan the QR code on screen now to secure your elegant retreat. Nestled in the vibrant heart of Luzhou, this distinguished three-star sanctuary effortlessly blends sophistication with accessibility. Position moments from the high-speed railway station and the lively Southwest Trading Market. Whether arriving for business or leisure, guests are greeted with understated luxury, from the seamless 2 p.m. check-in to the indulgent 1 p.m. checkout, allowing every moment of your stay to unfold without haste. Families revel in thoughtful touches, with children aged 3 to 12 welcome to stay complimentary, transforming visits into cherished getaways. Behind the elegant facade, the hotel's 24-hour room service caters to every whim, while the breakfast experience, curated for discerning palates, ensures mornings begin with quiet indulgence. Each space whispers comfort and functionality, designed for travelers who appreciate both elegance and ease. As your sojourn in Luzhou concludes, let the Lavande Hotel linger in memory as a haven of polished tranquility. To reserve your next escape, simply scan the QR code, where seamless booking awaits to return you to this oasis of refined repose.